Are you struggling with digestive issues and looking a natural solution to restore your intestinal health? Well, look no further because today I'm going to share with you a powerful probiotic drink recipe that can work wonders for your gut health. 1. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They help keep your gut healthy by balancing the good and bad bacteria in your system. 2. The probiotic drink we'll be making today is a delicious and easy-to-make concoction that is not only good for your gut but also tastes great. 3. To start, you'll need some basic ingredients such as kefir grains, coconut water, and some fresh fruit like berries or pineapple. These ingredients are packed with nutrients and beneficial bacteria that can help promote a healthy digestive system. 4. The first step is to prepare your kefir grains by adding them to a glass jar and pouring in some coconut water. Cover the jar with a cloth and let it sit at room temperature for about 24 to 48 hours until it thickens and becomes slightly fizzy. 5. Once your kefir is ready, you can blend it with some fresh fruit to create a tasty probiotic drink that is perfect for sipping on throughout the day. 6. Drinking this probiotic beverage regularly can help improve your digestion, boost your immune system, and enhance overall gut health. Plus, it's a delicious alternative to store-bought probiotic drinks that are often loaded with added sugars and artificial ingredients. So, if you're looking to improve your intestinal health naturally, give this probiotic drink recipe a try. Your gut will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.